This video demonstrates how to restrict access to data in Analytics Builder using row-level security and column-level security. Use Analytics Builder to create and share dashboards of your data analyses. To create row-level security, first confirm that you added your rules as a new dataset. On the landing page, click Datasets and select a dataset. Click Setup under the row-level security heading. On the Setup row-level security page, click User-Based Rules. From the list of datasets that appears, choose your Permissions dataset. For Permissions Policy, select Grant Access to Datasets. Click Apply Dataset. In the Save Dataset Rules dialog, click Apply and Activate. Changes in permissions apply immediately to existing users. To create column-level security, on the landing page, click Datasets and select the dataset. Click Setup under the column-level security heading. Select all the columns you want to restrict and click Next. Search for and select any users or groups you want to be able to access each column. Click Apply to save your changes.